Now, good morning, student. Today's first topic is convert a decimal fractional number into binary. Suppose the decimal fractional number is a 0.375. So before the decimal point, the number will be convert as the same divided by 2. But in case of the after the decimal, just such as the number is 375, this will be convert by the multiplying of 2. So we are taking here the number 0.372. This will be multiplied by 2. So the number is coming 0.750. Then we will extract only the before the decimal point 0 will be right hand side, and after that we will take 0.75075 we will take multiply again by 2. This is the 1.50. Then we will extract the 1, and finally we are taking the 0.50. This is multiply by 2, so this is come 1.00. So when all the 0 will be come after the decimal point, then we will stop. So the answer of this will be, this will take, we will from top to bottom. So 0.375 is equal to binary 0.011. Let's take the one more example. Suppose the number is a 0.54545. So we will first multiply this number. So the number is coming 1.0909. Then 1 will be extract again 0.9 0.0909 multiply by 2. So this will come 0.1818. Then 0 will be extract again, the number will be takes this process. If the 0 will not come, all the 0 will not come uh, right hand side of the decimal point, so uh, we will take this process only till 10 steps. So that will be our the final answer. So this answer is 0.100010110. Now this is the one more, the number is the both side 38.21. So 38 will be convert as per just like a dividing process, and 0.21 will be converted as per this one. Now the 0 is not coming, so we will convert this to the 10 places. So the final answer we will write in this way. First we will write the binary number of 38, then finally we will write the 20 binary number of 21. Now the opposite process of that one, this is the binary fractional to decimal, and the number is suppose 101101.0000101. So from the left hand side of the decimal, the process will be go as it is. So first number from the right hand side, that will be multiply by 2 to the power of 0. Then 0 will be 2 to the power of 1, 1 will be 2 to the power of 2, and 3 will be 2 to the power of this. And after the right hand side wala part, that will be 0 into 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power of minus 2, and so on. And finally we will calculate, so the final answer will come. Now the next process is the convert a decimal binary, convert a fractional decimal to octal. So same again is here, first part will be divided by 8, or second part will be multiplied by 8. So in the first part there is the no numbers, and the second part the number is a 0.375. This is multiply by 8, and the number is coming 3.0, all the 0 at the right hand side. So the your final process will be here, and the final answer is 0.3. There is the one more process, one more number is a 0.001. 0.15625, then we will multiply by this of 8, the number is coming 0.125, then 0.125 we will multiply by 8, the number is 1.0, then final answer is 0.018.